Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! For today's video, I'll guide you through how you can refresh your quick ad on Snapchat. Let's go! You can actually go and view the quicker page in another place in Snapchat, and I found it easier to go and refresh it there. So to go and view quick ad in another place on Snapchat, all you need to do is go to the top left corner of the Snapchat screen and tap on your Bitmoji. And you can tap on your Bitmoji from pretty much any page on Snapchat, and then it'll bring you to your profile page. And then what you need to do next is just go and scroll down a bit until you see the friends section. And you want to go and click on add friends below it right here, and then you can see who you can add. And if you scroll down, then you can go ahead and see your and to go and refresh your quick ad. It's very simple. What you just have to do is go and hide some people you don't want appearing. For example, let's say I don't want to see this Danny on my quick ad. I can just click on the X button on the right and then click on the reason if you want. Maybe I don't know this person. And then once done, all you have to do is refresh it. To refresh it, you just have to drag up and let go. Again, drag up and let go like this, and everything is then going to be refreshed. And as you can see, I've now got a different list of people here who I could go and add on Snapchat. So I can do that over and over again. You can keep doing this. You can always drag up and let go, and then everything will reload if you want to see different people in here. And that's it. Very, very easy. That is how we refresh Quick Add on Snapchat.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.